biggest goal of this event is to help owners, crews, and friends to understand what they can do with their boats. It's a fantastic opportunity to spread the word.
It's an incredible experience to be involved with. Burning the candle at both ends. We race hard and party hard at the same time.
It's amazing. I feel like I'm married to a whole new family, and everybody is always there for me.
So we are gathering 12 boats in this case, and this is something that can happen with a family feeling. That's about inclusive exclusivity.